Hi everyone, this is Sally Rogerson and we are here today talking about wigs. We are working with the House of European Hair. They have the most beautiful wigs that I've ever worked with. And you know, these wigs allow you to be able to cut, color and style as if it was real hair. So when you work with a quality wig, you can really make it individual for the client, make it really specialized. I'm working on Grace. Grace is a beautiful color to start with. You can see it's like a light copper, dark blonde in its level, and then obviously has this really beautiful warmth. Very suitable for a client that, you know, originally has a little bit of that copper color in their natural hair. This is all about trying to make this wig believable. So we are gonna add some color in here. We're gonna work with some very, very fine highlights. So again, I'm working with this model. The model is Grace from the House of European Hair. And we're just gonna go like one level higher and 2 levels higher, just so we can get some dimension in the hair. It's all about trying to make the wig feel believable. That's gonna make the client feel really, really confident when they're wearing it. Grace is an amazing wig. It has a little bit of a mixture of hand-tied on the top, and then it has a little bit more of the open wefted feel in the back area. So I'm really just gonna stick to some color work on doing like a little bit of a root shadow. The root shadow, I feel like, makes a wig look more real. It looks more like a real head of hair. But I'm also going to add some very fine highlights. I'm going to stay with a lighter blonde and then also, you know, like still a copper blonde in there. I'm going to use foil. I'm going to use more my regular classic highlight kind of application, but I'm not going right up to the scalp. I'm just going to stay a bit more off scalp because I'll be doing that root shadow a bit later on. You can also balayage, you can also just do some hair painting. It's all about the quality of the wig. You know, I have an amazing quality of wig using Grace from the House of European Hair. And this is real hair, just like you would style, color and cut on a regular client. So again, you have to get a beautiful quality wig to do the kind of work we're gonna do on.